to Dublin Airport, the best place in the entire multiverse. And as you can see, we're plane spotting and perfect. As you can see, over there are all the planes and the Ryanair's about to start. Nice. Now as you can see, there's the woods over here. Woo! Come up, there's Iberia. There goes the Ryan 737. 737 Ryan Giant Rhino Air. 737 800. Ooh. Sick boys. There's a Jumbo Beast Emirates over there. But as you can see, there is a Ryanair. It's beautiful. It is. Dang, the zoom on this phone is beautiful. Nice. Boys, we got nice. Nice, we got nice. Nice. Oh my, look at all this. Okay, so imagine you're Peter Griffin's. So much grass. There's a black car and a random white truck. Oh my, look at all this grass and a runway. Why are you in this massive field of grass? Next up is about to be a turkey. Here comes the turkey. It's coming. Yes, it's true. Here comes the turkey. Here it is, the turkey. Beautiful. Will its gear go up? I wonder. It's an A321, so even more sick. I'm actually sick. Van. There's a nice heli. But anyways, see you in the next location, which will be the taxiway part. Peace. And here we got a Ryan Giant buying a big boy Ryan. Hello Ryan. Bye Ryan. Rhino Gino. Don't be a rhino. Don't be such a rhino, Mr. Rhino. There goes another. Come on, it's another rhino, I think. 2 rhinos, great. Not so fun. Well, at least it's not raining, right? Oh, Rhino, if you were even an Aer Lingus, it would make my day. No worries, there are Aer Linguses behind you. Hey, that's good! Oh, or maybe not, because that's still also extremely common. Oh, but no worries, there will just be a few Aer Linguses. Oh, that's nice. There will be way more Ryanairs. Rhino! Nah, not gonna lie, this looks nice. Oh my god! This is insane! Look how beautiful this is! What a big plane! You've grown up from the Cuba Club and now you're flying into this airport. So wholesome, Rhino. Yeah. As Rhino goes, wow, fresh air and the lovely touch grass. Wait, just as I inhaled, I realized, Rhino, you're leaving lots of fuel farts. It smells beautiful. Oh no, you won't tell me it's another rhino. Yup, I can see it's a rhino. Oh, come on! This is too many duplicates of you. Hi! At least hopefully leave some fuel farts so I can sniff. Okay, I'll try. But guys, yes, this is it for the plane spotting video. I know, barely any new planes, just rhinos. But oh well, I guess that's life. Peace out. Subscribe to see more cringy videos.